Like a naranjo.
Okay, I want to turn him around. I don't know. He's sleeping? Oh no.
Oh, he's awake. Hi.
Hi, baby. Oh my gosh, those brown ones are so cute.
Oh, look there.
Yeah.
They look like they're. They look like they were at right there in the. What's the nativity set? What do you call him? What is that moment? His birth, I guess.
Yeah. Mr. Goat. Hey, where are you trying to go? Where are you trying to goat? Come here, piggy piggy. Do your best, pig.
They're sleeping.
Oh, let's go around. You want to go look at the horses?
I just want to blind JC.
Or do you want to look at the horses on the way out? You can put them back in the... Don't stop on my behalf. This little one has a lot of character. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The stroller came in handy. Like off-roading.
Yeah. Honestly, yeah. Can you imagine the Duna right here?
$1,000 for what?
Oh. Horses see fingers as carrots. Hi, guys. You're so cute. Did you know that I'm a horse whisperer?
What does it say?
Oh, no. I whisper to them. Oh my goodness.
These are small horses.
Where's your eye? Oh. He doesn't have an eye. Oh. Recording again. Yeah. What do you have to say to your nephew?
Haven't seen him in a while. He's all excited to see me.
He's eating his foot. He's not excited to see you.
He sure did.
We're getting pupusas.
Gotta look tough.
Huh?
Gotta look tough.
Alright, what do we... I forgot to record. I was too excited to get the pupusas, but we tried the pupusas. They're good. They needed salt. Oh look, they're barely right there. Okay, parents are here. Right there. There's Brenda. Oh, it's like she heard me or something. Brenda. And oh, there's my dad. And we are in line to try lumpia. ¿Dónde está? There you go. Lumpia. We were gonna get quesadillas, but I don't know. I feel like let's try something different. We also looked at the jerky over there. Whoop. Jamaican jerky. Was a little pricey. We originally had, well, I originally came for the Dubai chocolate strawberries, but apparently they ran out really quickly. Some of the booths here are already or have already left, and it's supposed to last until 10 p.m. So I don't know. The chimichurri sounds really good. Chimichurri fries with steak. Huh?
Almost 9. What is it?
Baby's here. Little baby. Little baby. Baby feet. Say hi.
He plays good music sometimes. Why? Oh, he's recording. On Barkley now. Oh no, we can't stop song Chase on Barkley.
Milk the cloth. We just try to keep it
on class. That's all I know. There you go. Go Birds!
Fly, eagles fly on the road to victory. Hey. Let me kiss. Yay, JC!
Thank you for coming over. I love you guys. I love you guys.
¿Dónde está la ardilla? ¿Dónde está la ardilla? ¡Yay! ¿En dónde está la mariposa? JC, la mariposa. ¿En dónde está la mariposa? Esa no es mariposa. JC, ¿dónde está la mariposa? Ay, ok.